Hello everyone and welcome to a new year of PDQPD. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, I am John Sedgwick and I try to do a video occasionally that will show you some tips and tricks that you can use as you begin to integrate technology into your classroom. I call it PDQPD because I like to keep the videos at 5 minutes or less, although sometimes it does go over. I thought it would be good for this first PDQPD of the new school year to review how to make documents in Google available offline. Now you know in order to access your Google account you typically need Wi-Fi access, but you can set it up so that you can make specific documents available offline. This is where students can, if they don't have internet access at home, or they're going to be away from where they would have internet access, they can make the appropriate files available and then work on them offline. Same thing with teachers. There's a couple of steps to this, so I want to walk you through this process. It's actually pretty simple. The first thing I'm going to do is I have to set up my Drive to allow offline access. So you can see I'm in my Google Drive right now. I'm going to go up here to the Settings gear, and I'm going to click on that. And then there's an option for Settings, and I will also click on that. And you see about the fourth option down, it says Offline, and there's a box to check to sync Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drawings to this computer so that you can edit offline. I will click that box, and you can see that it's starting to set it up there, and I will select Done. Now the next step is you probably either need to go through your Google apps to get to Docs, Slides, Sheets, whatever you need, or you need to type the address in. And you probably know this, but you can get to Docs by typing docs.google.com or drive.google.com if you want to get to your Drive, or sheets.google.com or slides.google.com. But in this case, it's just easier for me to go to the 9 dots and I will select Docs. Now what's important is you get to the view that shows your templates available, because this is the view that you will need to make these documents available offline. You notice that when they're showing these documents in this view, there's the 3 dots next to each title. I'm going to go to, I'm just going to pick one for example here. I'm going to go to these 3 dots, and you see now that I've made that accessible in my Drive, there's a slider button here that says Available Offline. I'm going to click that, and it closes right away, but if I click it again, you can see it's changed color to the on position. And that's what I need to do to make this available offline. Now, whenever my computer is offline, this particular document will still be available. And you can do this to as many documents as you need, but I would not suggest doing it to every single document that you ever make, because it takes up space on the actual computer. And specifically for the student Chromebooks, they're designed not to have a lot of onboard memory access. But you can always go back and forth, turn them on, turn them off. So what will happen here is when you access this document offline, you can make whatever edits you want. And then when you get back to a Wi-Fi network, it will automatically make those syncs with your Drive, and everything will be just like you were online all the time. So this is an option for students to work on documents offline, and for teachers to work on documents offline. The only key here, the biggest key to remember, is that you need to do the setup while you are online and are accessing the documents. I hope this is helpful to you. I hope this will allow you to use Google anywhere you go, and as always, have a great day.